Ringing the temple bell. First, let's get used to the waist movement. Shift your waist from side to side while keeping your feet firmly planted. When you get used to this feel of the shifting from left to right, add the arms. Let them be propelled by the side-to-side movement of the hips. As the arms swing to the back, let them gently slap the kidney area. And as they swing to the front, let them gently slap the waist area. This gentle slapping motion sends vibrations through the internal organs, enlivening them, warming the body, and getting the chi flowing. Slowly come to a standstill. Gather your chi, draw it into your lower dantian, and smile. For more information on Qigong, go to www.smilingqi.com.